The journey, from a child playing for fun to intense training sessions and moments of triumph, the journey is long and arduous. It's a testament to the fact that hard work and perseverance pay off. Overcoming obstacles, athletes face injuries, self-doubt, and tough competition. Their struggles and determination are evident as they train, building resilience and mental strength. Against all odds, they succeed, showcasing the power of perseverance, teamwork, and unity. A team of athletes, united by a common goal, work together on and off the field. Camaraderie, support, and unity drive their collective success. Each member's role is crucial, highlighting the importance of teamwork and collaboration. The power of passion. Passion fuels dedication and focus. Athletes push past their limits with unwavering joy and determination. Their love for the sport drives them to achieve greatness, inspiring viewers to pursue their own passions fervently. Resilience and determination. Adversity tests mental strength. Athletes push through pain, fatigue, and setbacks with determination. They bounce back stronger after failures, proving that resilience is key to success in sports and life. Celebrating success. Moments of victory, celebration, and triumph are the ultimate reward. Athletes from various disciplines savor their accomplishments. Slow-motion shots and uplifting music capture the euphoria of success, inspiring viewers to chase their dreams with dedication.